Hey there everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I have Happy Mail, but I don't know who to thank for the Happy Mail. The other day I went to go pick up a few things from my post office box, and I had a little note that said something was too big for your box, which happens a lot, honestly, with things I order and whatnot. But when I went to get it, it was a huge box. And then I got it home and I was thinking, what the heck did I order? That does happen to me sometimes. But I went to open it and I was like, oh my gosh, I didn't buy this. But that means somebody did and sent it to me, which is so awesome. So let's show you what it is, but I don't know who sent this. So if you're watching this right now, and you are the sender of this incredibly awesome Happy Mail, thank you. And could you please email me so I know and I can thank you properly. Let's start with this part. Okay. I have mentioned a few times on my channel, I was on the fence about buying the Sarah Renee Clark color cubes because I already have the digital one. I have like the companion. I have all of those and I really enjoy using those, but I don't know, the color cubes just sounded so cute. Well, whoever my Happy Mail sender is, they bought me both cubes. So, oh my goodness, I don't even know. I honestly don't even know what to say other than holy crapola. Because yeah, I had been on the fence. Like, I love the digital ones, and of course there's the jets. But I had really wanted the cubes because, first of all, can we talk about how cute these things are? Like, come on now. Just, that's adorable. And then just the fact that, oh, it says number 1 so I can label the box. The fact that it's just, you can pull these out and have like the physical card. And also, like when you compare it to the digital version of the card she has, I'll zoom in a little. So, you know, the digital version, like sometimes you'll pick out a palette and you go, ooh, I like that. And then you go to like over to the companion and the color is not what you thought it was. At least on this, you have the actual color. So, I mean, this is so cool. Like, it's got the color code. It even has different hues. But again, like I said, I was on the fence about these because, well, I had the digital version. I couldn't justify buying the physical, but I wanted it. A friend of mine made her own by printing them out and cutting them, and I was going to do that. Oh, look at that. It's so pretty. But I was too lazy. But this would be fun for like challenges too, even though, yes, on the digital one, I could just scroll wherever I land. But yeah, so thank you for sending me the color cubes. But that wasn't all. So in that same box, I know what this is without even unboxing it, but this was there as well, which comes in this very pretty box. Let's see if we opened it the right way. Oh, wow, it's so pretty. Look, you can see it. It's the Sarah Renee Clark planner, coloring planner. Holy cow. Each year they get bigger and bigger. And yeah, so this is the 2024 one. Wow, this is so pretty. I hope anyone who gets this keeps the boxes, by the way, because those boxes are gorgeous. Holy crap, this thing's gotten big. I don't think I bought the 2023, but wow. We'll do a little flipsy so you guys can go ahead and just see. So you got like your yearly spread here. Oh, we got like yearly goals. I'm gonna have to zoom back out. Yearly goals, year at a glance. Feels like thicker paper than the last one. I remember I bought like the 2022 and I wasn't happy with the paper. So this is nice. It is see-through still, so I bet you bleed for sure with alcohol markers. But see, all of them have the coloring pages, and then you've got your monthly spread, this month's goals, ooh, a habit tracker. I love that she added this. I know her older versions didn't have that, but I need like monthly habits, and I really need like a monthly, Corey, you are going to focus here. And then the weekly spreads, which are similar to Happy Planner, which I love, but it gives you the grid, and you can do whatever you want with these grids. But check out she really varied up the coloring as well, because it used to be like 1 month, it was literally the same print throughout all the weeks. And this one is all different. So you're getting something different with every week. Memories, I want to start doing that. Gosh, I don't take enough photos. No, I take enough photos, I don't print them enough. I want to start printing them and putting them like in my planners. So a reflection, and then you can do whatever with this, and then it just starts over. But each month it looks like we're gonna have different artwork on every single page, which I really appreciate, because that was one of my big complaints, was just like it was the exact same thing, and well, I just didn't want to color that. But yeah, check it out. Only thing is, I don't know if there's like really a theme here or if it's just random. Who knows? But variety. That is so cool. Let's see if there's anything. Ooh, look at that one. Let's see about like end of year stuff, because every month it all repeats, other than you're getting different stuff here. Okay, so December. Gosh, like I said, this thing is way thick. Holy cow. Every year gets thicker and thicker. I'm not complaining about that, by the way. Okay, here's December. Oh, perfect. Christmassy. And then you do get a glimpse into January. Oh, I like that. I just realized this. Big focus. I'm thankful for. That's nice. So that's reflections for December. You got 2 blank. Yep, it does have a year in review, so that's pretty good. I like journals that kind of have those self prompts, like so that you can kind of reflect. And especially for me, the end of this year is going to be a wacky, weird change, so it'll be really fun to use this in 2024. And then, of course, you'd order your 2025 edition. But let's see, so we're in October, so you get plenty of time. Got a ribbon. Oh my goodness, this thing is a monster. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna have to like do a comparison video over the years, the evolution of her planners. I did get the first one she ever came out with. I think I had gotten the next year, and then I know I skipped 2023, or maybe I bought it and never used it. I don't know. I can't remember. But yes, so someone sent this as Happy Mail, y'all, and I don't know who, but please, if you are the sender of this Happy Mail, please email me colorfullyoptimistic, just like the channel name, at gmail.com, because holy crapola, this is really, honestly, caught me by surprise. Super genuine Happy Mail, and I want to thank you because this is amazing. I mean, I wanted these cubes so bad and couldn't justify buying them, so someone bought these for me, and this whole thing here is not cheap, so I really, really want to thank whoever sent this. But I've got a planner ready to kick you-know-what in the backside next year, color cubes that I'm actually going to put right there on my desk because they are like perfect for decor as well, and use them. So yeah, awesome Happy Mail. Thank you to my secret Happy Mail sender, soon to hopefully not be secret. And until next time, everyone, I'll catch you in the next video. Bye now.